Hello respectable audience, look this portion, it is 3 and 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5. So when we make it single it will become 15. In the beginning we have already 15. So 15 divided by 15 will be equal to 1. 1 will be our answer. But 1 is not correct answer. There is some mistake that we have made. If we remove that mistake, we will be able to get correct answer for this question. 15 divided by 3 multiplied by, it is parenthesis which will be solved first according to PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS rule, parenthesis has to be solved first, so it will be solved first to get 5. Now exponent is missing, multiplication and division both are involved, so we have to move from left to right, means division will be solved first. So 15 divided by 3 will be solved first, it will be equal to 5, and here is 5. So 5 times 5 will be equal to 25, which is correct answer for this question according to PEMDAS rule. Thank you for your support.